Hi and welcome to Howard's in Dorchester. My name's Tessa and today I'm going to show you around the 2016 Hyundai Tucson. It's got a 1.7 litre engine, it's currently done 8,875 miles with one previous keeper. It's got a satellite navigation system and cruise control with speed limiter. Watching this short video on the Hyundai Tucson. If you'd like to come and see it for yourself, we're down in London Road in Dorchester and our contact number is 01305 266 066.